Hello everyone, welcome to Kanak's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare chocolate covered Oreo pops. These are Oreo dipped in chocolate on a stick, which are very easy and fun to create. You can easily prepare this at home. So you can prepare this for any kind of occasions like Valentine's, birthdays or Christmas, and you can decorate with any theme you like. So let me show you what all things you'll be needing for this. First, line our tray with a wax or parchment paper and keep aside. Slit the Oreos into half first. Now dip a lollipop stick or any wooden stick into the melted chocolate and place it onto the cream side of the cookie. Now cover it and press it slightly with the other side so that it stays onto it. Once it sticks onto it, now dip each Oreo pop into the melted chocolate, or if you want, you can spoon the melted chocolate over the cookie to cover it nicely on all the sides. Drain off the excess chocolate if any to form an even and thick coating out of it. Here I am putting some green colored sprinkles on the outer circle and then with the red colored tutti frutti on the center of the cookie to give it an effect of Christmas theme. Now gently place this onto the parchment paper and keep doing this for all of them. Once all are ready, place them into the fridge to solidify and set enough for 15 to 20 minutes. Once set, you can enjoy the Oreo pops, and if you want, you can wrap them also with plastic wrap for gifting option. So my Christmassy chocolate covered Oreo pops are ready. You can wrap them nicely also for gifting option. So do try this easy recipe and let me know how it turned out for you. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such easy and kids recipe. You can tune into my channel for a whole new recipe every Tuesdays and Fridays. And you can also connect with me on Facebook. The link to my page is in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.